Alright guys, welcome back to Frugal Homestead. So today I wanted to bring you an app that we've been using to save money on food, because right now that's where we're getting hit the worst. Honestly, food is through the roof. Now, this is an app called Flash Foods. You can get it at any of the normal Play stores, Apple Play Store, Google Play Store. Go in and get this app. Look it through. If you want to sign up, it's super simple, straightforward process. Now, this is not sponsored. This is just something we use. Now, there will be a code in the description box that you can sign up through us if you want to help us out. If not, that's fine too. Take the time to check this out because they have insane deals on things like meats, produce, different kinds of boxes that are mixed vegetable and fruit, as well as baked goods. Just tons of discount stuff, some of it up to half to 3/4 off. So with that said, let's take you along as we go do some shopping and pick up some things. Alright guys, we're going to open our app up. And as you can see, it's going to geolocate us. This is obviously after you signed up. Now, this is a town we work in called Lancaster. Some towns will have this, but go to the area and hit search this area. Mostly Myers and Giant Eagle is kind of the top stores I've found that do this. Now, if you click on the store, you're going to be able to see what they have available. Now, as you can see here, Giant Eagle has meats and so much more. This was a very busy time of day, and my phone was not wanting to load it. But look at the deals, guys. You guys know how much meat costs nowadays. It's $4 for crappy hamburger. So look at this. There's perfect options here for everybody. And as we progress down through the list, you can see that there's no shortage of things they have either. A lot of these are really good. I mean, there's a little bit of vegetables being mixed in now. A little bit of sweets. Now, there'll be a lot of bakery goods, and generally we find that those are really good deals, honestly. But our big deal here is the sauces, like you're seeing here, and also things like the vegetable and fruit mix boxes. There's some macaroni and cheese, and there's some noodles, and various other things that generally most families probably bulk up on and buy just to stock up the pantry some. So we're going to switch over now and go over to Myers. So while it loads here, I want you guys to realize these prices because they actually are amazing. Now, we were out that day to get some vegetable and fruit boxes. We like to take the fruit out of them and run around when we're dashing for something to munch on, but we need vegetables. And I don't know if you guys have been buying any fresh vegetables lately, but like a bell pepper is over $1 now. And as you can see, these $5 boxes have all kinds of options. About anything you could want. So when you want one, you click on it, and then you can add it to your cart. So that's exactly what I did. I've got one box now. Like I said, we need some peppers. So we're going to pick up one of these boxes. Look at all those peppers and apples in there. If you bought peppers or apples, you know that that $5 box was cheap. Now, here is a squash. It looks like a pumpkin, but it's actually a squash, and some potatoes. And we love these kind of squash to drop them in the Instapot and just cook them up. And then potatoes never hurt, but potatoes are getting expensive now too, so. And my wife said she wanted these pickled sausages. I don't know. But if it makes her happy, so be it. So we picked that up. So now we are pretty much at the point where we're ready to check out. Now mind you, we're not even at the store. So there's our cart. Look at our price. And look at all we're getting. That's a lot of value. So now it's going to show your store and all your information here. what you're buying. Make sure you want it. All right, so now we need to head to the store. That way we can pick up our items. So you click on it. It shows you what you have. That way you have all the numbers of your boxes and your items. And then it'll actually give you directions directly to the store in case maybe you're on vacation and you don't know where the store is. And the hours. So really it gives you everything you need to do this. We do use this when we're on vacation whenever possible. So let's go to the store and pick up our stuff. This is the front of the Myers in Lancaster, right by the register's front window. As you can see, they have coolers for the meats and all the items that need to stay cool. So all you got to do is go ahead and grab the items that belong to you. So we got hot dogs. And then we're going to grab our boxes. So we've got number 26. Number 1. And number 5. Now, once we get them on the cart, we go to the service desk. They're going to just verify we got all our stuff and then click us out. That helps them update their apps. And now we're back at home. I mean, look at these peppers, guys. There's nothing wrong with these peppers. We'll chop them up and use some to make a fresh salsa, and the rest will freeze. Look at all them apples. Make the perfect snack for us, but if you go to buy a bag of apples now, it's insane. And no, they're not perfect, but that doesn't bother me any. You just cut the bad spots out. So now, this box here is my favorite. I don't know if any of you guys have bought a mango lately, but they're ridiculous in price. So that was mine, and it still wasn't all the way ripe. Now all those potatoes we ended up using up over Thanksgiving. So it kind of worked out perfect to get them. We don't generally buy a lot of potatoes anymore. So it was a nice change. And then of course the squash with all the potatoes. So that's a pretty good haul. And when you add in her pickled sausages, $16+, I mean, you can't beat it. So appreciate you guys watching. If you could go down, hit subscribe, give us a like, and comment to us how you like to buy your food at discounts. And we'll see you in the next one.